Cars are freedom. Cars can be your sanctuary, your office, your home, your cockpit, you know. Cars really do represent freedom.
Hi, I'm Damon with Chico Dry Ice Blasting. So what is dry ice blasting? Like sandblasting, it uses pressurized air to propel dry ice particles, but instead of abrasion, it relies on extreme cold to freeze and shrink dirt, grime, oil, making it brittle. When the dry ice hits the surface, it sublimates instantly, going from solid to gas, expanding up to 800 times its size and volume. Dry ice blasting is one of the safest and most effective ways to clean often neglected areas of your vehicle, like the undercarriage or engine bay.
The engine bay is one of my favorite areas to clean on a vehicle. I think because of the variety of materials that are in there. You have plastics, rubber, a lot of times some very nice aluminum. And by varying my particle size and my pressure, I can clean all of that under there and essentially make it look like factory new. Dry ice blasting or dry ice cleaning was invented in the 1970s by Lockheed to clean their aerospace technology. No moisture, no chemicals, and at the end of the day, it's very gentle. The first commercial machines were produced and sold in 1987 by a company named Cold Jet, and they continue to be the innovator and leader in dry ice blasting and cleaning. So with my machine I use with Cold Jet, I can decrease my particle size to as small as 0.3 of a millimeter, and down on my the pressure on my gun, the air down to maybe 20 psi, and I can start removing the ink from a business card without going through the business card. Dry ice blasting is perfect for car restoration. I can get into all the nooks and crannies. If I can see it, I can clean it. I develop no heat when I blast. The cold that I do create on the surface is very superficial. I leave behind no media, no chemicals, no moisture. Literally the mess I create at the end of the day, I sweep up in my shop and put in the trash can. How often will they need to do it? It's something that you could do every few years where we live. Again, I'm Damon. This is Chico Dry Ice Blasting. I appreciate you taking the time and interest to watch the video and learn more about me. This is the first retail offering of dry ice blasting or cleaning north of Sacramento, north of the Bay, and I'm excited to have this offering for the retail customer and whatever project they might have in mind. Please reach out to me with that, and I'll be happy to let you know if my application is something that can benefit you.